Hello, my name is Samantha LaRue, and I will be giving a presentation of my short informational report. I was asked to do some research on the Republic of Kenya, and this is what I've found. An overview and safety precautions. The U.S. Department of State issued a travel advisory to avoid the Kenya-Somalia border due to an increase of violence in the area. Also, some research that I found, they asked that tourists they don't travel alone, or they don't go walking in far distances that are from where they're staying. On the coastline, you find warm, humid weather, such as what we experience here in South Texas. And in the inland, near the capital city, Nairobi, you find cooler temperatures with less humidity. Next week's temperatures are between 72 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, but the humidity is above 50% pretty much all the days next week. The warm part of the year over there in Kenya is December through March. You want to cover well, or find some mosquito spray to take with you, because they do have an issue with mosquitoes. Language, religion, and currency. Primary and dominant language is Swahili, and second language is English, so it should be quite easy to communicate with others while on your trip to Kenya. Religion, the majority of are followers of Christianity, some regards to Protestant, Roman Catholic, and Latin Rite. Currency, Kenya uses shillings. 102 shillings equals to $1 US, but US dollar is very common at an international level, and it should be fairly easy to exchange since there are banks in Nairobi. Also, if you carry like the company credit cards or your personal credit cards, many of the vendors do take them, and there are also ATMs. And also remember to tip your servers just like we do in the US, because they're all greatly appreciated. Business etiquette in Kenya. The word jambo is Swahili for hello. Majority of meetings are in English, so that would be very easy. Majority of business meetings start on time, and they are very prompt with the time, so you want to be on time. When you arrive, make sure to give a warm welcome and handshakes to all the potential clients. Usually, minute-long greetings with a certain individual is not required, but what is expected. But those with a business negotiation, you want to extend the greeting just a little bit. When presenting, give a clear presentation as to what your point is, what you're trying to get across, what it is you're trying to do, and also give clear answers to questions. Formal dress code is not always required, but it is recommended. Communications and social aspects. Internet coverage in Nairobi is very well. Cell phone coverage is the same, just like we do in the US. In certain areas, you have better coverage than in other areas. When you are visiting someone's house, you want to take off your shoes when you enter, and when you have dinner, the men are served first, then the women, then the children. And Once you get to know your clients a little bit better, then they'll discuss having a business meeting over a meal. And that is the research that I found. Thank you for watching.